Tele Regency, pushing the boundaries.
day, man. Can we meet you, man?
Yes, my name is Gloria.
Yeah, today I see that you are here in State House of Assembly, Kogi State.
Yes.
What is the importance of your visit to this place?
Okay, we are students of Federal University in Lokoja, but the out campus in Abuja. So we are here on a familiarization visit to Kogi State to visit the State House of Assembly and to also visit our campus here in Kogi State. And then there are other activities as well lined up for us in Kogi State.
Now that we are here, with little time we have spent here, can you view what you have seen? And
well, our journey here was peaceful, the road was smooth, and when we got here, the ambience, the welcome was great. I was very delighted to meet with my lecturers, and the ambience in this place too is very peaceful. So we are hoping for a very fruitful and a very fulfilled excursion. Should I say? Yes.
That is good. So you are waiting to see the house sitting.
Yes, we would like to see how their proceedings are carried out and probably learn a thing or two.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So can we speak with you for a few minutes? Yeah, I can say that they said the students are visiting the House of Assembly. What are your mission and purpose of visiting this place?
As a student of political science, studying election and party politics, it's a practical section to see the setting of the State House of Assembly and probably have the opportunity to see how they legislate issues. So that's a worthwhile experience.
I wish you happy stay here. So can you give us your name and your experience so far?
Oh, my name is Joseph Peter. I'm a student leadership and strategic study. And of course, as you can see, you know we have leadership gap in this country. So these are the things that we are trying to see how we can fill up the gap. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
No, we need to call. Just give me time. You know my schedule. You know my schedule. I will call you.
Sir, can we meet you, sir?
Okay. My name is Osaze Melody Obediji.
Yeah, you can see that it said the student of...
Yes, I'm a student of Federal University Lokoja, or a PhD student, Federal University, Department of Political Science. So, in conjunction with National Institute of Literature and Democratic Studies. So, we are here in Lokoja for familiarization tour to our parents' university, which is a Federal University in Lokoja. So, we are here for starting, for lectures, for serious business, for interaction, and fun as well.
Well, now we are in the State House of Assembly. What are your mission and purpose of your coming?
I just told you that we are some of us, or many of us here, are students of legislative studies. Some of us here are students of parliamentary management or studies. So it is important that when we are in a place like this, we visit the state parliament to know how or to see them in session, so that we can be abreast of how, the rules and procedures in the state House of Assembly.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Feel better still. Okay. Man, can we meet you too? Man?
Okay, my name is Uche.
You're also a student of the PhD.
Yes, I'm a student of this school, Federal University of Kogi, in conjunction with National Institute for Legislative and Democratic Studies of the National Assembly.
What are your expectations being in this State House of Assembly?
My expectation is nothing short of, like I said before, feeling the pulse of what is happening here, how they carry out the business in the chamber of this great assembly in Kogi State. As students of research, it is a good thing for us to broaden our knowledge in vast areas because we have students in diverse courses and departments that are here. So it will be a very beneficial thing for us to see activities carried out in action and learn one or two or three things from here that will help us and aid us in our research. And that is going to be an evidence-based one.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, it's glad to meet you here, sir.
Thank you.
Can we meet you, sir?
Yes, my name is Adam Abubakar.
Sir, you two are here to see one or two things and how these people see it.
That's right. Of course, I'm a PhD student in Institute Studies, Federal University of Kogi. And as a student of Institute Studies, it is paramount that apart from doing studies theoretically, I will also see what happens in practical realm. And the State House Assembly is the parliament, so we are here. We are going to see what they do so that we can also compare practical with theory. That's what it is.
Thank you very much. I can remember the first time I met that time.
When it's done.
You are also a PhD.
Yes, my name is Ali. I'm a PhD student at Federal University of Kogi.
Be visiting this place today. What impact would the experience bring to your knowledge
Well,
as
my
a student?
coming out to this place, one is to at least have a feel of the environment of my other institutions, Federal University. Federal University, I don't know, it's an affiliation with names. And being here in the States, House of Assembly, is to allow or is to expose me
Thank you very much.
Like on my own.
I think you insist.
Can we meet you, sir? Your name, sir? Being a student of PhD students. As a PhD student of this, yeah, what will this add to your knowledge visiting this State House of Assembly? How whatever you see here will add to your knowledge and be
Yeah, thank God for the management of this graduate school of Federal University of Kogi, who have decided to package this program and to enable us to visit the State House of Assembly of Kogi State. Some of us have not been privileged to visit the National Assembly in Abuja, but we believe that, or I believe that coming here to watch the Kogi State House of Assembly do these things practically is going to help us to see how these things are done practically. Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. Well, I'm happy to meet you here. You two are PhD students.
Yes, in leadership.
So I know your visit here is to add more knowledge to yours.
Yes.
So far that we have been here, what are your expectations?
Well, one of the expectations is this is our first time. This is my own first time of coming. Not to Lokoja because we pass through Lokoja most of the time.
but the House of Assembly here in Abuja. So the expectation is that we're going to meet, we're going to see what they do here. At least the speaker will definitely address us today. So that's just one of the expectations. And really, you don't know what he's going to say. So the address will definitely add more knowledge to us, because we're going to understand how they run their things here in the House of Assembly. So I think that's part of the expectation. I am actually eager, to hear from him. I'm happy to be here in Abuja. It's a great one. Thank you.
Thank you for your stay. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you, sir.
Next, Honorable Major Enamula.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Principal officers, my dear honorable colleagues. I am Honorable Major Enamula, representing the Kalamila constituency. On the vote and proceedings of 24th September, under amendment, the last paragraph says, in the absence of any amendment, Honorable Enamula Major, E. Lalamela corrected to read E. Galamela on Lalamela. Thank you, sir.
Clerk of the Assembly take notes and effect correction. Honorable Jibril Abu, representing Ajakuta State Constituency.
Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleagues, my name is Jibril Abu, representing the people of Ajakuta State Constituency, and I'm from Opaket Autonomous Society. Mr. Speaker, sir, furtherance to that observation by distinguished colleagues from Igalamela and constituency is the man who moved for the adoption of the same motion, who seconded the adoption of the same motion already issued Zachary Edevi. I am seeing a purpose thwart to the name of the constituency from Okene 1 or Okene Village to Okene South. And by extension, and the roll call is also indicated that this is the name that is from Okene South. I do not know if this house have approved a new constituency named Okene South. I hope this is taken and correction effectively. Thank you.
Maybe they have approved the position of INEC, changing the name of the constituency. Please, effect the correction. There is any other correction? Yes. Any further amendment? In absence of further amendment, Honorable Jibril Abu, member representing the State of State, I please move the adoption of.
Thank you for giving Ajakuta State Constituency the opportunity to move for the votes, the adoption of the votes and proceedings for Tuesday, 24th September 2024. And Jibril authorized Abu now move for the adoption of the votes and proceedings for Tuesday, 24th September 2024. I so move.
Honorable Major Enamula.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Again, I'm Honorable Major Enamula, I represent the National Constituency. Having perused votes and proceedings of state in the court, and adoption moved by my colleague from Ajakuta, I hereby second that the vote and proceeding be adopted. I so second.
Honorable members, we are in support of the motion for the adoption of vote and proceedings of 23rd December 2024, and seconded as moved by Honorable Jibril Abu and seconded by Honorable Major Enamula. Say aye. Aye. Again say nay. The ayes have it. All members, we have some others obtained their doctorate degree at the Federal University, Lokoja, in collaboration with the National Institute of Legislative and Democratic Studies, Abuja FCT. The team is led by Professor Benga Ebile, Provost of Postgraduate Studies. I need this kind of information. Thank you. On the team is Professor Olarotimi Ajayi, Director, Institute of Governance and Development Studies. Also, Professor Tauko Dauda, Deputy Provost, Academics, College of Postgraduate Studies. Professor Ofo Ayefo, Deputy Provost, Admin, College of Postgraduate Studies. Dr. Shehu Oshewolo, Deputy Director, Institute of Governance and Development Studies. We have Vivian Mansour Edepefo. We equally have Dr. Tosi Olomuji, Deputy Director, Institute of Governance and Development Studies. We have our own, our senior colleague, our elder in our state, Honorable Alfred Bello, Chairman Elders Council. You are welcome. We equally have in the team Mr. Ade Ajanaku, Class Governor, PhD Course 2. You are welcome. Also, permit me to recognize all the students here in the gallery. Are you please all stand up for a recognition? Thank you so much. You are welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Sit down, please. Our overall visitors, as part of our proceedings in this annual chairman, and our midst, our own chairman of Assembly Service Commission, they are recognized. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, as part of our activities in this annual chamber, in every Tuesday to Thursday, we do have sittings. They are sitting days where we consider bills, petitions, and issues that are very important to our various constituents. It's discussed there extensively, and resolutions which are passed to the executive for implementation. While Thursday, Friday allow for committee sitting to go out and oversight. You know, even though this institution is not in charge of spending money, but we appropriate the money. So, in order to see the money that was appropriated and the value for the money, at times we move out to oversight the various MDAs so that we see that what is appropriated is what is being utilized by the executive as a way of check and balance. We equally use the days that we are not sitting to receive visitors that we have interface with on issues that bother the state and the way forward. So we are pleased to have you here. By the special grace of God, we are equally your students while you are studying in that very institution. We want to assure you that the grade of members that we have in this state are very experienced people. They have worked in every facet of life and they decided to come and present their bill. Bills that touches the life of people. For example, you know that one is tradition, appropriation. we have opportunities since we came in to have passed budget, another bill of establishing one of the growing university of Ghana, and understanding the economic situation of our nation, in order to support the indigenous and the parents. This house has equally passed the scholarship bill in support of the families. In order of the police from primary to secondary school, we have passed the bill is free. Even while fees are take off from the family, parent of the people. So the government is having the mandatory law that if you are a government institution and you are enrolled genuinely, the government will take off the NECO and YF in police state. It is this house that can achieve that. And equally that of the component trust. And we have equally passed into law and equally appropriated supplementary budget for busing of the indigenous of the police state to be assisted, because we know the inflation, what it has cost and how it has affected various homes. So all the government is doing is to push it as part of our own strategies in police state, is to see that we relieve the parents of all this burden, and that is what we have done. And equally, we understand our potential economically. We have put in place energy regulatory commission, because we know we have resources to generate this. We have equally the markets. All we need to do is to put a framework in place to invite various interested investors. So we have put in place a very good law that will allow those that are interested to do business in our state here. So we have passed the Electric Regulatory Commission and that of the market business district to enable the inflow of investors that want to do business here. You know, Kogi State is one of the largest states. We have deposit of stolen mineral. We know we have inflows of people. Of course, this mineral, as we know, particularly the solid mineral area, a lot of people are coming and it's equally giving some security going concern. So what we have done, maybe as of yesterday, you see government has shut down the operation of those solid minerals because of the money to Kogi State in the guise of mining. So we said stop mining activities. Let everybody leave the various sites of mining, so that as far as 3 months is concerned, if you are there, we know your intention is not good because you are not there lawfully. So those are some of the activities that we have done, and that between 2023 June that we have took office as legislature of 8th Assembly, the total number of 23 bills have been passed and assembled through by the executive. And between June of this year, we have passed a total of 10 bills of this second legislative year. So you see that when you put this together, you have about 32 bills that are passed into law by this 8th Assembly. We are not to give ourselves pass now, but we know that these bills are not just bills that are passed like that. They are bills that has to do with direct contact with the people that will change the life of our people. And you know, as the democracy is growing, a lot of changes are coming. Some laws have become very obsolete. All we need to do is to redeem it by reenacting them. So this is what we are doing. Time will not allow us to continue. We want to continue to give, but we want to assure you that anytime the college decide to partner with the assembly, our able technocrats are available to provide enough information for you to assist in your course. We thank you for coming. and we do appreciate you for choosing this, our own assembly. You know, for other people, they will decide to go to Abuja to go and see the way their proceedings are. Understandably that the people, the legislatures you have here, can stand with any other ones, even at the national level. So thank you for having the confidence in us to come and observe and listen to us, and we hope that you have a successful course as you do. Thank you, and God bless you. No, the other is for my room today. Can you please move to suspend the funerary to enable us have a snapshot with our visitors before we come?
The Honorable Speaker, sir, before I move that motion, I want to invoke on the 5 who finish your holy ones. To invoke on the 7 to enable the House sit beyond 1 p.m. I so move.
Honorable Speaker.
The Honorable Speaker, I just say the Honorable, I know it's going to do this, I represent the good people of the federal visitors. I rise to support the movement to the great leader. I so
Honorable members, if you are in support of the motion that the House suspend on the 12th and invoke for the 7th to enable the House sit beyond 1 p.m. Say aye. Aye. Against say nay. The ayes have it. And don't do that.
The Right Honorable Speaker, I move that the House suspend the House proceedings to enable us attend to our visitors in the chamber. I so move.
Honorable Leader.
and Honorable Speaker, distinguished Honorable, I rise to support the motion moved by the majority leader. I so support. Thank you.
Honorable members, if you are in support of the motion that the House suspend its funeral for a short time to attend to our other visitors, say aye. Aye. Against say nay. The ayes have it.
Sunday. I'm okay.
Then have to
See this one side.
Now we have two sections. As our honor
Invalid picture, please.
those who have attended the preliminary on behalf of the state leaders, I want to thank you for your record as people who have been part of this preliminary. Definitely, you vote and proceedings of 3rd October 2024 for your library. I equally want to thank you. Vote and proceedings as adopted on the 4th September 2024. I equally want to present one of the law in the second reading and debate led by our own right honorable speaker, Mr. Astor. And equally, we have been delivered elimination of all form of discrimination and for other all this as business of the day, like part of the life as
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Amen.
I'm here. Okay.